Very good afternoon. My name is Devjani Bhattacharya and currently I am pursuing my masters from IHM Bhubaneswar. So firstly, a brief introduction about IHM Bhubaneswar. So the institute was started as the Foodcraft Institute at 1973. So with the growing need of manpower in hotel industry, the state government of Orissa introduced 3 years diploma courses in this institute for hotel management and catering technology. So after that, the institute was renamed as State Institute of Hotel Management in 1981. So after that, the institute was upgraded by the government of India and it was renamed as the Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition in 1984. So now we will come to SAP. What is SAP? SAP means Swachhata Action Plan, which is an initiative by the government of India. Swachhata has been recognized and top prioritized by the government of India. Hygiene and hygienic practices are important not only for our health but also for our living environment. So now we will come to global warming and climate change. So climate change is basically a long-term shift of temperature and weather patterns. The main reason of this climate change will be human behavior, which is causing global warming by too much burning of fossil fuels such as coal, gas and oil. So now we will come to the effects of global warming. So the first effect I would like to discuss is the damage of our homes. Now currently we have witnessed heavy rainfalls which are causing floods and which is affecting our livelihood and our homes as well. And the second point I would like to mention is the high risk of health. So the third point I would like to mention is that our outdoor work activities will be difficult to be managed. Our electricity bills will be rising because we cannot be able to bear this hot season and number of air conditioners will be more and hence our electric bills will be more. At IHM Bhubaneswar, we also have installed solar power plants. So let me show you. There are total 130 pieces of solar power panels in our institute and let me show you how it works. So here we have two inverters. The solar panel traps the sunlight in this board and from here it goes to this inverter and then the electricity is generated amongst this inverter and then it is distributed towards the institute. So my current topic is solar energy. Solar energy is a radiant heat and light which is harnessed from the sun and then it is converted through some technologies such as solar power plant for electricity. So the solar power plant is based on conversion of sunlight into electricity by the method of direct photovoltaics or the indirect method of concentrated solar power. So now let's come to sewage treatment plant. So currently I am standing beside the sewage treatment plant in our institute. So now I am going to explain that how this sewage treatment plant works. So this, as you can all see, this is a tank where the sewage water comes in and from here the water goes over here and then the water is treated by some chemicals and after that there are two compressors which helps the water in getting purified and here we have two filters which helps the water to get filtered and from here the water goes over the tank and from there the water is used for gardening and for the systems that we use in our washrooms. And this water is not for drinking, this water is not used for washing utensils, water is only used for gardening and system use, that's it. Thank you so much for being with us throughout the video and have a great day.